I'm starting to vlog.
What?
I'm starting to vlog.
You're starting to block?
Vlog.
Vlog?
Vlog.
Oh, vlog, okay.
Are you actually taking that?
Just in case we need to shovel my car out.
Okay.
Vlog away.
Okay. I'm so shy. Okay, I don't know what to say.
I'll stay out of the car for a second.
Okay, thanks.
Get the creative juices flowing.
I'm terrified of vlogging in front of Sam. Because he doesn't know this. Like, it's weird to vlog in front of other people. Like, when I'm by myself, it's fine. But now that he's just watching me, strange. But he let me stay in the car and just get my creative juices flowing. This is the cutest shacket. I don't know if you can see. Oh my god, he's coming. I'm gonna stop. Anyways, while he's gone, we're going to somewhere in New York State. Not quite upstate New York, but I guess it's called like Montgomery something. Montgomery, New York. And it's essentially like a tiny house cabin that Sam found on Airbnb. That is my birthday gift. Because I told him I really want to get away somewhere and just like be in nature. Although this is quite the nature experience. There is just literally the house. There's no electricity, no Wi-Fi, nothing, and then the toilet is separate. So hopefully I don't have any stomach problems because I don't want to walk at night in the snow, in the dark, and have bears eat me. I'm excited though. It'll be fun. I feel so awkward vlogging. I feel like he's gonna catch me and then I'm gonna be so shy, but there he is. So we just went to the grocery store. Sam, this is so weird for me.
Do it.
Just went to the grocery store and now we're going to McDonald's. Thanks, Rebecca, for the gift card. Like and subscribe. We haven't even left the town yet, but we already went to the grocery store and we got McDonald's. Sam, it's gonna get copyrighted. I don't even get monetized yet, but we have a double cheeseburger, some fries, and a McRoyale quarter pounder. The fancy cheeseburger. And we're finally gonna start driving. Right, Sam?
Starting route to 531 River
No,
Road.
it's gonna know. This is our tiny house. Tiny house? Is that what it's called? Tiny house, triangle house, and that's the bathroom to the left. Welcome to the step. Oh my god, it's so cute! It smells so nice and woodsy.
Right.
Aww! They gave us oatmeal.
You never know.
Wait, this is so. And they gave us wine.
Oh my god.
Low cleats. What?
The bed is worse than yours.
Really?
Rock solid.
Wait, let me try it. Oh my god. This is really...
It's like a stiff Tempur-Pedic.
It's so stiff.
My back's gonna be killing me.
It's like a rock.
Yeah, it's like a...
Sam and I are on a walk, and I think that this is a pond, but I don't know. Hopefully Sam doesn't break through. Sam, actually, let's... Where's your scarf?
I don't bring it.
Sam. Anyway, it's a very cool hut. What would you call this? I'm trying to vlog in front. Can you contribute?
It's called an A-frame.
An A-frame house?
Just an A-frame.
An A-frame. It's very cute. And it's like near the road, but still in nature. Like rolled up. Oh my god, it's so pretty. Look at this. It's so nice. Do you want me to just hold the bag?
What?
Do you want me to just hold the bag? Wait, where? Alright guys, I'm gonna do a haul of what we got at the grocery store because I'm preparing to give hot dogs to Sam. I failed at putting up a fire. This is the butter pound cake from ShopRite. You need to be more supportive, Sam. Okay, you can't really see me. Then we have hot dogs, which I need to cut up.
Oh shit.
We have Irish butter. It's literally hard as a rock, Sam. Well, and we have hot dog buns. Already ate the plain one. We have a bagel. Oh, this is interesting. We have a pepperoni and cheese stromboli.
Hell yeah.
Which we don't know how we're gonna make it. But it's cool. It's like such good quality still, I'm shocked. Vegans, don't watch this video. Ah, Sam, are you okay? Sam? Are you okay? Sam, get it for the vlog. Why not? I'm trying one. Mmm. Sam, it's really good. You know who this would freak out?
Who?
Dan. It would freak Dan out.
Make sure.
Dan, if you're watching, look, I'm eating a raw hot dog. It's not even raw, it's already cooked, so there's nothing bad about it.
Yeah, I don't think that matters to Dan. This stuff was here with light.
We got pepper. Yummy. Now we eat. So good.
1/2 bin.
That's mine. Hi, Dan. Are you gonna tell your friends to watch? Sure?
Yeah.
Didn't sound too convincing. This is the hot dog that I ate. That like outside shell crunch. Really good. The outside shell. I'm gonna attempt to open some wine. So I'm gonna try not screw this up. Haha. Pun intended. No pun intended, I mean. Okay. We got it, guys. Alright, we have these Starbucks cups. So we're just gonna put it in here. And hope for the best. There we go. We're just really roughing it, as Sam said earlier. I kind of wish this was like mulled wine. That would be nice. Morning, guys. Oh my god, it's so cold out. I'm going to the bathroom. And I'm scared, so I took you guys with me. It's so cold. Alright, Sam has finally woken up and he went to go turn on the generator. Basically, this house does not have any electricity, and if you want heat, you have to use that thing. I forget what it's called. And if you want electricity, you need the generator. So I have gotten ready a pot, this thing, whatever it's called, mugs and hot chocolate. We're gonna have some hot chocolate. And the hosts were kind enough to also include some oatmeal packets, even though we already like brought rolls to eat with like butter, but oatmeal just sounds cozier at this point. So yeah. All right, guys, our time has come to an end here. We're packing to drive to Jersey City or New York. We don't know. Our check-in time is like 3 p.m. But it's so cute. If you want to have a getaway, go to The Step. Their Instagram is thestep_ny for New York. And they have like a little Polaroid camera. Sam and I took a photo. And we put it into the guest book and wrote like a little message. And it was so nice to just get away and like not be on our phones and just talk. And it was really, really nice. And I'm gonna start packing until Sam comes and yells at me for not packing. But yeah, this was our cabin getaway, and now we're going to New York. See you there. We have made it to Jersey City. We are stopping here for lunch, and then we're going to take the path in to New York. What?
Thank you.
The toilet.
Oh. I'm gonna keep that sound in. Oh my god. That's cool. I mean, we don't see a lot, but I feel like it's nice. I don't know. Hey guys, we just got to our hotel. We're staying at the Millennium in downtown, which is right in front of the Oculus and the World Trade Center. Sorry if you can hear that in the background. It's like the toilet, like it was, the flushing noise was on when we came in. So now we're thinking of calling and getting a different room if it doesn't go away in like the next 2 minutes, because it's already bothering me. All right, we got a new room because the toilet was not working, and I think we have the better view. Oculus is down here. What else? Is this Jersey City across?
Yep.
See, I'd much rather look at Jersey City than Brooklyn. Sorry, Joe. How cool is that? Wow. Oh, and that's the memorial.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Wow. I'm trying to like show that I'm putting clothes on, and then also I have to hurry. All right, Sam and I are running slowly to Italy. I guess it's like an Italian market bistro restaurant place, and we just got a last minute reservation. There's Brooklyn. Okay, it's not a big deal. Or you think we'll eat everything? Yes. Have a bagel from Zucker's with lettuce, tomato, cucumber, and scallion cream cheese. Oh my god, dude, the focus is so good. Alright, I'm not gonna for watching. If you enjoyed this vlog, if you want to see more, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more, and I'll see you in my next video. I'm gonna enjoy the view for the next 5 minutes, pack, and then we're going back to Jersey. And then tomorrow, I go back to DC. But, cheers.